Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos using an Hypic on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hypic app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap Edit Photo and select the photo with the object you want to remove. Next, use your finger to highlight or draw over the object you want to remove. Try to cover the entire object carefully for the best result. After selecting the object, tap Apply or Go. Hypic will automatically remove the object and fill the area with a matching background. If needed, use the brush or refine tool to clean up edges or adjust areas that didn't blend perfectly. This helps make the photo look natural. You can also zoom in while editing for more precise removal, especially for small or detailed objects. Finally, tap Save or Export to save your edited photo to your iPhone gallery. Now your photo is clean and the unwanted objects is gone. And that's it. Removing objects in Hypic is simple, fast and perfect for creating personal looking photos on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.